You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by Goliath Games for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Elise and I are going to check out that game, Pop Rocket. Catch the most stars when he pops to win.
Yes, but we do need to say thanks to Goliath for sending us this game. Ages 4+, 2 to 4 players.
Now, I was thinking, before we started here, how many games you and I have played? Hundreds?
I don't really know.
Hundreds.
Probably.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So anytime we get a new game to check out, now when I say new, that doesn't mean new to the world, new to us.
Yeah.
I like to play the game with you.
Thank you.
This one here now, let's see. Catch the most stars when he pops to win.
Collect the stars and fill the rocket.
Pull the string to start the countdown.
Throw the die and place your star catchers.
When time is up, the stars will fly into the sky.
Okay.
And then everything that's in there is listed there. Looks like they're having fun. Looks like he pops up and everything explodes out the top. So we will come back with a quick camera change and get it out of the box. All right, Elise, I see cups. All right, let me cut the bag for you. You start placing the equipment down. Okay, there you go. I'll bring the camera up a little. And then the rocket. Pretty cool looking rocket.
Yellow, green, red, and blue.
Okay, and the rocket's got some pretty nice size to it. Take off the tape off the top, would you please?
Take off the tape off the top.
Yep. And then you have a little top piece. I'll wait to put any of that together. Just kind of start sorting things out. Okay, and then there's even more stuff. He looks like he's a pretty happy guy. I'm going to bring the camera in just a little bit here and kind of show you how happy he looks, the rocket. Okay, and then let's see what else we have here. The instructions at the bottom.
All right.
There you go. And then a little, looks like little game pieces. Oh, the little stars. Okay. All right, so there's our stars. Okay, so they shoot up, so they're just paper. Let me open this up.
Well,
I thought they were going to be like a hard plastic or
too.
something like that. Like a cardboard star. And there's these little rings. You probably put your colors into the little rings, right? Okay, so there's all the pieces.
All right.
And the instructions. So I will put this together with you next.
Okay.
It shows you how to do it, so we'll follow those steps. So we're going to come back now and set the game up. All right, we have read over the rules. The first steps for the rocket are to put the lid on and the arms.
Yes.
Now you want the peace sign going up and then forward. So this would be on this side, and it should just snap in, hopefully. I have not tried it. There you go. These do not do anything or not much to the game. They're just for added coolness. He's like, yeah, that's cool. And this goes on. I'll tell you what, while I finish this, why don't you start doing the stars?
Okay.
Now those you just pull off and put them in the cup. And then I need to set the die. They show it right here. Okay. So they show the die like this. Okay. And then the star at the top. Okay.
And they all have different faces.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Well, hold it up so everybody can see. Make sure they get that. And then to the right is this. Okay, now each of these means something different. This means you're placing one cup. This means you can place your cup over somebody else's cup or move your cup.
Okay.
So there's options in the game. To be mean. I won't be mean to you, I promise.
Thank you.
Okay, so the game actually plays. I know the stars are different colors, but they don't mean anything in relationship to the game.
Yeah.
And any star can land in your cup. So what's going to happen is, here, we'll pick a color here. What do you want to be?
I'll be blue.
Blue. Okay, so that means you're going to be putting the blue cups down.
Okay.
And I'm going to be putting, I will do green. I'm going to be putting the green cups down. Now, it doesn't matter what goes in. It says right here. The color on the stars is just for fun. Collect any stars to complete your constellation. So these are called the constellations. It is possible for several players to win at the same time. So if we each get 6 to land in our cups, we're both going to win.
Okay.
Place the 6 round stickers on the die as shown. Done. Okay. The game plays clockwise. When timer ends, approximately 60 seconds. Here, let's just show that while you're doing that. So I'm going to pull this, and it's going to be filled with all those stars, okay?
Okay.
And something's going to happen in 60 seconds. We'll see. Now imagine all of our cups placed around the little rocket, okay? Mm-hmm. And that is what the stars are going to land in. So as we're rolling...
Done.
You're done?
Yes.
So this will mean you can place a cup around or on, or move one of your cups if you want. This means you can place a cup, and then the star. That's the only thing I didn't read, the star. Steal a star from another player and add it to your star holder. So first round, nobody's got any stars, so it won't matter if you roll that on the first round. All right, get ready. Okay. Let me turn this down here. He's going to pop without any stars. Don't jump.
Okay.
They say it's about 60 seconds.
All right.
And then if the... Ooh.
Okay.
It did that on its own. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
It didn't pop. Place all the stars of the big star to fill the hole. Close the lid. I wonder.
But yeah, you're supposed to push it down first.
I thought I did. Let's try it again.
Yeah, try it again.
Well, let's do it with everything in it. How about that? Oh, once it's locked, it's locked.
You have to wait.
Maybe I didn't. I don't remember.
Yeah. I didn't see you.
Okay, maybe I didn't.
Because I wasn't paying attention, but...
Well, that was exciting anyway.
Yeah,
it was like, doink! I guess I didn't need to pull the string out all the way either.
Yeah.
All right, so now we'd be rolling, all right?
Okay.
So I get this. That means I could take one of your stars. Now you roll. Hurry up. Time's a-ticking. So now you can put one of your blue cups down. Okay, and then I roll. And then I can either go like this, or I can take a cup that I have here and move it. All right, you roll.
All right. Here.
What'd you get? Okay, so you're going to put one out. And then I can put a cup down. Oh, wait, no, that popped open, but this... Oh, there we go. All right, so it is 2 stages.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Now, this has a little notch in it, okay? And so does the yellow star, so it can only go in one way. And he's got a little face like, yeah, he's like, ah. All right, pour all the stars in. Now, it doesn't say for like 2 players, take out any color. Oh, it's too late now.
One more star.
Well, too bad. All right, so it doesn't say like for 2 players, don't put in all the colors. Let me just double check. Each player picks a color and places the 3 star catchers upside down in front of them. Star catchers. Oh, okay, there's a star catcher. Deal each player 1 constellation of that same color. Oh, wait, these are the star catchers.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is that, and then that is that. Okay, so we have that set. Now, attach the lid. Okay, that's it. That was really it.
All right.
Just fill it up and play. All right, we're going to just double check everything, get a good camera angle here, and play the game. Okay, officially set up now. So it said to put the 3 colors, the star catchers, upside down so that they're sort of kind of out of play until they're turned over. And then we have our constellation set, so we were good there. Now playing the game. The player who can jump highest goes first. To start the game, that player should gently pull the fuse on the side of the rocket fully and then throw the die. I know you can jump higher than me, so I'm going to go ahead and pull.
Oh, okay.
All the way, go ahead, pull. Okay, start rolling. Okay, nothing. You can't take anybody's cup. Okay, 1 cup. Go ahead, start rolling. We got 60 seconds. Got to get your cup out. Ooh, you're gonna. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm gonna take you back out.
Okay. Go ahead.
Oh, sorry. Ooh.
Can't take anything. It's okay.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. So I'm done. All the cups are out.
Yeah. Now we wait. Or do we keep on rolling?
It just says skip your turn.
Oh.
Well, yeah, I guess you can do a flip. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Get ready. Okay, so.
Okay, well.
I got one, and you got two.
Yay.
So take your star and put it on your star catcher. Okay, now we can put that one that we missed. We'll take our cups, put them upside down. We'll come back after we clean this all up, and we will get set for the next round. All right, Elise, we are set. It did not take long to put them all back in. This is going to be a fun game.
Yes, it will.
So now we each have, you have one. Here, show everybody what you have in your little constellation. Oh, you have two. I have one. So now you could potentially lose those. If I roll this, then I can take them. And then also now, the big yellow star that's in his brains there, if that lands in your cup, you get to take 2 stars and put them on your constellation.
Nice.
All right?
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to try to get this so everybody could see. Now, there was one instance where mine was in yours like this, and I rolled this. Okay? Now, it didn't say specifically I can take one out. It just says you can change the position of one of your star catchers already moved. So I guess it would be that. It could be that, right?
Yeah.
So you can play around with that, but you could also end up doing this and seal somebody in completely if you want to.
Yeah,
so
it's true.
It depends on how the die goes. Are you ready? Okay, let's get this going here. We'll push this down. Go ahead. Get ready to roll. Okay, so you have a move. You don't have any out.
No.
Okay, go ahead. All right. Okay, so I get to steal one of your stars.
Your turn.
So, my turn?
Yeah.
You didn't want to move one of your cups?
Wait. Oh.
It's upside down. Why is your cup upside down?
Because I never moved that one yet.
Oh, go ahead.
Now I will.
Hand me the die. Okay, nothing.
Me neither.
Keep going. Okay, so now you can cover one of mine.
Okay.
Or move yours closer, or whatever you want to do. Okay. Okay. Can't do anything. Wait.
Okay.
Here it goes.
Woo!
Ooh, did anybody get any?
I don't think so.
None.
Mm.
All right, let's do it again. All right, so now I'm thinking when you have 4 players, it's going to be harder to get all your cups out, especially if people want to slow the game up a little bit. So with 2 players, you're going to end up getting all your cups out, and it's a matter of who rolls the cup moving one, all right?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Yes.
New camera angle, everybody. Okay, there you go.
Is that all the way?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, go ahead. Put your cup down. Okay, all right. Oh, steal a star. Okay, cup down. Oh, so how's the day going? How's the weather? Weather's good? Like that. Someone's going to mess around with you. Star back. Cup. You can't move them.
Oh. I didn't know that.
Yeah, once it's down, it's down. Now you can move a cup. Oh, I see how you want to play this game. Oh, really? I'm not going to do anything.
Okay,
Neither are you?
Yeah.
Oh, cups are down. All right, so see how I place mine? Oh, wait, here we go. It's going to win. It's going to win. Oh!
I started in 1.
I got 1. All right, so I'd add that to mine here.
All right, I got nothing.
That's a pretty cool game, huh?
Yeah, it is.
All right, so we'll do it one more time just for fun, and then we will wrap it up after that. All right, Elise, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will pull this down. I will let you be the puller. Go. 1. So, have you had a nice day today? Having fun playing the game? Nothing. Go. Oh, you can move that cup if you want to move it.
No, I'll just leave it.
Okay, steal a star.
Okay, I got nothing here.
Put a cup out. I can't do anything. Put a cup out. Oh, this is not looking good for me. Nothing. Oh, no. You can't do anything. Once you get them out, I can't. Nothing. Oh, you can move a cup. I can't steal a star. Come on. Now I need to get something. One cup, go. I almost moved mine. Oh. Nothing. Oh, I'm going to move my cup. Oh, this is it. I can win. I can win with 3. Oh, you got 1 in each.
Oh, awesome.
I got a 2.
Nice.
So neither of us got to 6, but you picked up 3 on that. That was good.
That was awesome.
All right, so there you go. I would say this one is a pretty fun game.
Yeah, it is.
Pop Rocket. I'm going to play this. We'll play this one again later, and we'll see how it goes then. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to see more games, look in that description. We'll put a link there. As always, we appreciate you supporting the channel. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.